Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the part 2 of Subway Surfers. So last time we scored like 29,386. Yeah, I remember that much. So let's play another game of it. Last time, let's check out the events. Yeah, no floor challenge. Starts in 14 hours. No, it's not coming. What is classic mode? Tag time attack. San Francisco. No floor challenge. Let's just try it. Okay, let's play. This is good. I think this is about floor is lava. Oh my. Okay, we need this shoe. It is difficulty increased. No way. It is increased. Boom. No, no. Okay, we'll try it. 7,000. Okay, so should we play it again? Let's just try one more time. Oh no, we can't play it. Um, so let's just play our normal. Um, so match grade 10,000. Okay, so let's play a game of normal Subway Surfers. 1. Boom. 9,000? I mean 10,000. Okay. You know, I played this game like 4 years ago. Yeah, when I played this game again, I thought of this channel. One more magnet. I need the sun. Oh, never mind. No, 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 no. Oh, rocket! Finally. Okay, it's getting faster. Yutani. Let's see if I could beat my highest score this time. I can come here this season. Magnet. Oh, oh! Bad disappointment. 42,000. Oh my goodness. I don't want it. Nope. Ah, just play the game. Now make it better. Last time when I played this game, I got my highest score was 86,000. What? I wasn't focusing. I love this song. I love this song. No way I survived that. It's getting faster. I don't know why this star is important. I'm just taking it. Okay, rocket time. game is rigged. I'm using a key. I know you will think I'm a noob. Yeah, don't think like that because this game is rigged. No. Okay, that okay. Um, oh, at least I got this mystery. 300 coins. Oh, why does this ad come? Okay, this is going to be my final attempt. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's do it. And guys, I'm not going to talk now because I'm going to focus on the game. Okay, so guys, I tried my best to make the highest score than before, but I couldn't do it. But surely I will make it another final video. So I'm ending the video here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe this, and also share if someone needs this. And so I will gonna make another video of this, and this is going to be the final part of this game. You can tell me down in the comments which game should I play next. Okay, so for now, bye.